seems to be like a bell that is ringing for me. And from the way that I feel when the bus starts to beat, I will swear